Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to create employee attendance tracker in Excel, as we have employee details with attendance status, and we need to find total days and present days, and also find total absent days. To find total days, we use here formula. But we have two count formula. First count formula will not work due to letters. So, we use here formula, CountA. Now, we select whole attendance row. Now, drag down formula to apply below. Now, we move to our present day's data. Again, we use here formula. But CountA formula is not helpful due to condition. So we use here formula, CountIf. Now select whole attendance row. Now we want criteria, so we use here P for present. We use required data in inverted comma. Now we test formula by changing the data. Now, drag down formula to apply below. Now for absent, we have two ways to find. Either we can use counted formula that we already used. Select whole attendance row. Then we type here A for absent data. Or we can use simple mathematical formula. We simply minus present from total days. This helps us to get difference. Now, we drag down formula to apply below. Now, we test our formula by changing the data. In this way, we can create an employee attendance tracker in Excel. If you face any issue, type in our comment section.